In this video, I'm going to show you how to play PUBG Mobile on your iPhone without using a VPN. Sometimes, when you try to open PUBG, you might see an error message saying the server is busy or asking you to try again later. This can be really frustrating, especially if you're ready to jump into a match. The good news is there's a simple way to fix this by adjusting your Wi-Fi DNS settings, and it works smoothly without any VPN. First, swipe down the notification panel and tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Then tap again on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, which will take you to the Wi-Fi settings for that network. Scroll down until you see the Configure DNS option. By default, this is set to automatic, but you'll need to switch it to manual. Once you're in manual mode, delete any previously added DNS servers. After that, tap Add Server and type in the first custom DNS server, 185.164.73.148. Then tap Add Server again and enter the second DNS server, 185.164.73.180. These DNS servers are specially selected to help you bypass server errors and connect to PUBG without restrictions. After adding both servers, tap Save to apply the changes. Now, it's important to clear all recent apps on your iPhone, including PUBG Mobile, to make sure the old network settings don't interfere. Swipe up and remove all recent apps, then reopen PUBG Mobile. You'll notice that the game now opens smoothly, without any server errors or the need for a VPN. This method works because the DNS servers redirect your connection in a way that bypasses region-based restrictions and unstable server connections, giving you a more reliable gaming experience. If you want to take it a step further and make sure your connection is even faster and more secure, you can use a premium VPN like NordVPN. NordVPN offers thousands of high-speed servers worldwide, which is perfect if you want to reduce ping, avoid lag spikes, and play PUBG Mobile on servers in other regions. It also protects your connection from interruptions, DDoS attacks, and potential threats while gaming online. Another benefit of NordVPN is that it's super easy to use. You just connect to a server in the region you want, and you can play games, stream videos, or browse safely. It also includes advanced security features like double encryption, a kill switch to protect your connection if the VPN drops, and optimized servers for streaming and gaming. If you want a smoother, safer, and faster experience while playing PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.